Right, so follow on from yesterday, there's my cedar clad door. I've made my frame, I've clad that in cedar. I'll explain that to you in a minute why I've done it like that. We've used a hardwood sill as well. I've used treated green board there to make the actual frame, but then I've clad it in cedar just because we've got cedar on site, and then it'll be all like a cedar door and a cedar frame. So basically, I'm using these Parliament hinges. It's a big old door, as I said yesterday. Normal hinges would sit there and you'd end up splitting through where the cedar meets the door. So we're using the Parliament hinges just because of the depth on the hinges. Now I know you can get deeper hinges, but this is all I had to hand, and they're beautiful as well. They're actually designed so that the door will open back over an architrave. So I'll just explain them to you a little bit. What actually happens with them, if you fit these and use them in the manner they're made for, you'd actually fit it like that. So when the door opens, that distance there is the architrave, and the door can open back over the architrave. But like I say, we're going to sit them right in, just because of the depth of the door, and the screw lines will go in the solid door rather than in between the cedar and the door. So what we do with these, nobody, I can't remember the last time I've seen anybody chop hinges out with chisels. So what you want to do is put your hinges where they're going to go, score around it as such. The cedar's quite soft, so you won't have a problem there. Right, what you want to do there is just go around a couple of times, follow the curve round. Like that. Thanks for subscriptions, by the way. I'm doing really well, really pleased with that. So like I say, scored it round like that. We will then get the impactor and take the hinge back off. You will be then left with the outline of the hinge. And what we're going to do now, we're going to set the router, the little trimmer, Makita trimmer, to the depth of the hinge. I'm going to trim all that out, maybe use a little chisel just to get the little corners out where I can't get in, and then that'll sit nice and flush in there. Right. So a few of you have asked how we get the power from the house to the garden room. So here I am, under the floor, so you can see that. That's how we do it. John's currently drilling through the wall, which is going to come through there somewhere, and we'll bring the power cable up to the consumer unit, and that'll be all nice and hidden. So hopefully he's going to pop out there somewhere. I'm using this Makita trimmer. I haven't got my glasses on. It's a DRT 50. Is it DRT 50, Sean?
It is, mate.
Yeah, Makita trimmer with DRT 50. So what I'll do is I'll set the depth of that flush trimmer bit there. As long as you can see that to the same depth as the hinge. Lock that off, and we'll trim that out. What I'll do now, I'll just get a little chisel. Somewhere. What I should have done, but once again, rushing as always, I should have got the knife and just gone down there like such, because you see how that's burred off a little bit, but that's fine, we'll get rid of that. So what I'm going to do now is, because the curve, I can't get right down on the curve with the knife. Oh man, here, I'm going to have to put my glasses on. So we'll just have to trim that out then. Maybe I shouldn't have had a drink last night either, I've got shirts. Trim out that curve like that. Bloody hell. This is how not to do it, I guess. Follow that curve round on there as well. Clean that up. See that there? I should have cut that there bird off, but that'll be right. I'll sand that nice and tidy. And then your hinge then should pop in there. And there you go, there's your hinge seated in there. So what we'll do the same with the rest 4. We put 4 on because of the size and the weight of the door. And then we'll hinge it into the frame as well. So that's the Cedar clad door. We've oiled it as well in a UV stabiliser. You can see there I put on 4 Parliament hinges, Euro cylinder with a scutching, deadlock in that. Thumb turn on that side will get painted, and you can see I've oiled all the frame. This is the oil we're using. It is Osmo, it's UV protection oil in clear, 420 clear satin. That's what we're oiling them in. That's your Cedar clad door. You can see the Parliament hinges there. Like I said, they're supposed to be stuck there, and then it'll help it go past the architrave, but on this occasion we just used it for the depth of the hinges. So that's your Cedar clad door. I'll let you have a little look around this as well. That's going to be a storeroom. We've ply lined it so that we can have some shelving and pick some things. We're going to have 2 fluorescent lights up there, consumer units in there as well. We've got a letterbox window there with frosted glass in. And here is the main room. It's 6 metres by 3.5, divided into 2. Aluminium bifold doors, anthracite grey, standard. This is all going to get clad in the same cedar as the door as well. John's just putting a coat of paint on here. Obviously, we'll have a few coats before it's finished. There's your doors, there's your room, all finished in white. We put laminate floor down, skirting board, plaster finish, fire rated downlights. No, not of you have gone, oh, they're not fire rated. Well, they are fire rated. The fire rated downlights, they're canless and they're LED as well. TV's going to go on the wall there. It's got a 2 kilowatt digital heater over there. We've got fixed pane glass over there. That's John doing the painting. And that's it basically, so that's going to be another lovely little one. Thanks for all my subscriptions and all my lovely comments as well. I try and answer as many as I can, so if you've got any questions just ask me. When I Cedar clad this, I'm going to do a full tutorial on cladding it in Cedar. So that's it, another one nearly finished. Keep watching and ask me any questions you like. Thank you.